everybody, Stevie here from Never Too Late to Travel. Been mooching around this morning on the banks of the Chao Phraya River, or Japia River as the local people refer to it, and I've come across these old warehouses that have been turned into restaurants and some other commercial enterprises. And not really knowing much about it, I decided to have a look at Google Maps, and I've discovered this is a place called the Jam Factory. So I've had a brief walk through, and I'm going to take you back now and shoot this small video, and I'll just show you what I found here. If you're in the area, then it might be a place that you'd like to visit. Well, coming up from the water's edge, I saw the empty restaurant there on the left hand side, which was quite a large place, and this building here is quite an upmarket restaurant called Never Ending Summer. I had a quick look through the door, and there are quite a few people dining, so I didn't really want to chance my luck and go in there and start filming without permission. But it might be a place that if it's quiet on the way back, I will go in and have something to eat. And leading on from here, we have about 100 yards only to walk, and we'll come across a courtyard area with a massive Bodhi tree, and there is quite an interesting message there, which has been left by the cats from the Jam Factory, and I hope you find it as humorous as I did. I think it's quite entertainment. So here we have the message from the cats at the Jam Factory. Obviously somebody's got a great sense of humour, and as I said previously, it has its own entertainment value. And ahead of us, just slightly to the right there is the Candide Cafe and Bookshop, which we'll go and have a look inside shortly. And at the back of me there are a few, I believe, design offices. Apparently at the end of each month there is a farmers market in this area, and very easy to walk from here to the side of the river and get a ferry across the Chao Phraya, or Japia River as the locals call it, to places like Thailand. As you can see, the bookshop is quite a large area, and I'll show you a little bit more of that as when we go inside and take a coffee. So we'll just follow it round to the entrance door, and you'll see that there is enough parking there should you bring your own transport. It's not really an issue. There's plenty of places to park here. Even if this is full, you can still go round the back. Good selection of pies, meringues, and assortment of decent looking cakes with drip coffee. Very clean and tidy, well presented. And a very relaxing place to sit and study, as these students are. I'm not sure whether there is a local college or university in this area, but there does seem to be a lot of students that are taking time to sit and study, maybe use the internet, etc. And leading on from the cafe section, it leads into the Candide bookstore, which you'll appreciate is also quite a large area. So although not a particularly wild place to visit, there is plenty of things to keep you occupied. And just from the main door to the Candide Book and Cafe Bar, there is a local market which you might also find interesting. So my friends, not a particularly long video today, just happened to be in the area and I thought it might be interesting for somebody who happens to turn up here, and you know what to expect. Thank you very much my friends for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to subscribe and leave comments, and hopefully I'll catch you on the next video of my trips and travels around Thailand and Asia. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.